Nation News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Rainy and windy as the sun sets over Tehama County. This is looking from our Tuscan transmitter camera.
Looks pretty ominous out there. Jason's stiff with us now. Jason, we saw this huge amount of rain early this afternoon. It looks like it's starting to clear up, hopefully.
Yeah, it's the first real rain that most of us have had since June. It's been amazing we've had to wait that long, but we've had rain, we've had mountain snow, a lot of gusty wind. The temperatures have really plummeted, and we're not done with any of it yet. Now, unfortunately, we do have the potential for some flash flooding near our recent local burn scars. Specifically, the Claremont as well as the Bear Fire, which is also the North Complex. Keep that in mind. The cold front's moving over us, is stalling out, taking its own sweet time getting over us. So we'll have the potential for some locally heavy rainfall. Also mountain snow, high elevation snow. The plateau will have a chance for that. Winter weather advisory from Modoc County, portions of Lassen County, and a little bit of Plumas County, but mostly the winter storm warning for the Sierra all the way through 6 o'clock tomorrow night. The potential of 2 to 3 feet of snow above 7,000 feet. Obviously less than that at the lower elevations. Lots of windy weather too. Through 7 o'clock tonight, we have a high wind warning out for our northeastern counties. Earlier today, we had a 64-mile-an-hour gust in Alturas, where the current temperature is 39 degrees. It's 34 in Chester, 55 degrees in Chico, which is cooler than it was this morning. We actually had the daytime high way before the sun tried to rise. It was 62 degrees early this morning, and currently 57 degrees in Redding. Still plenty of windy weather for us, especially in Red Bluff, 24 miles an hour. Chico's had sustained wind of 21 with gusts up to 30. We have that cold front sliding over northern California, but it is stalling out, taking its own sweet time, pushing over our far eastern counties, so more accumulating snow and rain. And we take a look at the Butte County area. Not much wet weather currently around Chico, but still lots of clouds. We have a little bit more rain just to the south of Chico. Most of that rain is up over the ridge. Lots of gusty wind too. That rain turning to snow in the higher elevations of the Sierra foothills as well as the peaks of the Sierra, and plenty of rain snow mixes from Modoc County, Lassen County too, Shasta County, portions of Siskiyou County. We'll have more areas of rain, more snow from Mount Shasta, which we certainly need. Now, looking at the next several days on Futurecast, we're going to have more of that wet weather late tonight through early tomorrow morning for the valley, for the foothills, and for the mountains as yet another impulse moves through. Here's another chance by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Make sure you drive very carefully on our valley roads as well as our passes. We'll have rain and snow respectively, but you'll notice looking at Futurecast going forward through Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to have fewer and fewer clouds, fewer and fewer chances for rain and snow. So starting to clear out by late Thursday into Friday and Saturday, but healthy amounts of rain, especially for the Sierra. This is really good to see. Rain and snow equivalents between 1 and 2 inches of snow. Not as much for areas around Corning, Red Bluff, and Chico, generally less than a ½ inch. But Redding could be fortunate, could receive more than 1.5 inches of rain in some of the highest locations. Another slight chance for some showers about 7 days away. So the temperatures, well, they're not going to be very warm for a while, but they will start to warm up as we get into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in a minor way. Overnight tonight, we're going to have lots of clouds. For the higher elevations, overnight lows in the upper 20s and lower 30s, right around the freezing mark, so some heavy wet snow a possibility. And for the lower elevations, upper 40s and lower 50s, which isn't much cooler than our current temperatures. The daytime highs will not be very much warmer. They will be warmer than today. 40s, 50s, and some lower 60s for Wednesday afternoon. Still a good chance for some overnight rain and some rain showers during the morning, then gradually lessening through the day on Wednesday into Thursday, Friday, and this weekend. For the next 7 days in Chico, we're going to have some windy weather tomorrow too. Daytime highs near 60 all the way through next Tuesday. The best chance for rain will be in the next 24 hours with fewer showers after that. And for Redding, expecting plenty of wet weather tonight and tomorrow. Windy weather too. Highs though will climb from the upper 50s and lower to mid 60s. Overnight lows will drop right back down to the freezing mark by Saturday and Sunday morning when we lose those clouds.
Thank you, Jason. Well, California